What a beautiful building here. There's that factory. This is dedicated in memory of Michael James Porter, the innovator of this project by the Porter family in 1996. What's this shop? Oh, was I already in here? Hi. I don't think I came in here. I'm visiting from Toronto. I'm vlogging too. You okay with that?
Sure, yeah.
Okay.
Toronto.
Oh,
yeah.
Is this your shop?
This is my shop, yeah.
Oh, wow.
I just closed the door. Usually I have it open, but it's like really hot outside.
I know. So you're called Whimsy
and Wonder.
Wonderful. Yeah. I've been shopping already quite a bit.
Feel free to film stuff.
I love this building too.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, I was here last week.
Were you? Okay.
And I came back for the day because I had to take care of something at the hotel.
Yeah.
There was something going. Yeah. So I'm back and I've been shopping already. So can I go in? Yeah. Okay. Now, are you? Tell me about your shop.
Sorry.
Tell me about your shop.
Okay, so we can open the leaf.
Oh, you're new.
So we're very new to the area.
You wanna? Are you okay on camera?
I can be on camera a little bit.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Hi.
So my name is Susie, and
Susie?
I'm the shop owner of Whimsy and Wonder.
Beautiful.
So this is kind of like I would classify it as like a dreamy art boutique.
Okay.
Gift shop. All the art-based products in the store are made by me. So all the paintings, prints,
And this wall.
the murals, yeah. So
Love
here,
it.
the mural behind you as well. I made as
What?
well. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so again, all the prints, stationery like notebooks and stickers, everything is made in-house by me.
Oh,
So
wow.
that's kind of like the overarching concept of the store. And
Okay.
then I have additional products that kind of complement the aesthetic of my art.
Okay.
So I have curated vintage and pre-loved clothing.
Oh.
I have vintage glassware. I have
Wow.
books, and yeah,
Look
all
at your
the kind of-
collection. And then the flowers are.
I have little mini bouquets today from my garden.
Oh, your garden.
Yeah, so I have a pollinator garden.
Where? Are you
in Peterborough,
You
yeah.
live in
Just in
Peterborough.
the city,
Oh,
yeah.
okay, got it. I'm gonna
Yeah.
leave that here. Oh, maybe not.
Your name intrigues me.
Oh yes,
I got something that may intrigue you that fits your name.
Okay.
I've got a picture.
Sure.
It's an antique edifice shirt.
Oh wow.
So pretty.
Oh wow. Yeah.
So it reclines.
Yeah.
And the seat is like a
Yeah.
animal seat.
Yeah,
that goes
yeah.
up and down.
Very cool.
I wonder if she made these.
Right now I'm kind of at capacity.
Well, I was wondering.
Yeah, I
Are they-
kind of don't really have any space to put anything new. Yeah, so right now I would say no.
Mood ring.
Yeah, just because, yeah, I am kind of full.
I like what you've done.
Thank you.
It looks, and it's very, it feels very light.
Yes, yes.
That's
That's what I was trying to achieve, and I think that the high ceilings definitely work in favor of that.
Yes.
Because it just makes the space seem so much bigger, even though it already is big. But
Those are her paintings.
I think I did a
Wow.
good job filming. Yeah.
And I really like the shirt too.
Oh, thank you. Yes. There you go. I like,
yeah.
I like your
It's
shirt.
a celebration of the
Yes,
weekend, right?
exactly.
Well, thank you for chatting.
Yeah, of course. Take care. Bye.
All the best.
Wow. Oh, purple.
So I have a lot of cute
Oh,
like,
wow.
yeah, I have these beautiful like vintage slip dresses.
Yeah.
I have it kind of organized, you know, by style. So these are like my lingerie slip dresses. I've got dresses and skirts here.
I know. I love the color.
Yeah, and then I organize it in kind of like a rainbow way too.
Very
Yeah.
impressive. Wow.
Yeah, everything is definitely very curated.
So, yeah.
Blouses and
Amazing.
crochet sweaters on this
Mhm.
rack. I have cute
This is
shoes.
beautiful.
I know, I'm obsessed with this one. How pretty
How
is
did you
that?
find all these? Oh my
I
gosh.
have my ways.
Your secrets. I won't pry.
Yeah.
I know people
I do
ask
source-
me and it's
I
like,
know, I
okay.
do source from like quite a few places, and like sometimes, like my parents live in Mississauga, so you know, like whenever I'm visiting and stuff, I'll check
Yeah.
places out there as well. But yeah, it's all very, very much curated. Yeah,
That's amazing. Good way and a good way to recycle.
absolutely, yes.
I have so
agree.
much. Maybe you can
Yeah,
take it from me.
And then this is my mom's section. So
Oh
my
my
mom is also
gosh.
an artist, and she does some really beautiful items.
Oh,
So-
she does. She's
So
silk.
what she does
like-
is she
oh my god.
she dyes with like leaves and flowers.
That's
So it's
amazing.
this whole beautiful process.
Yeah.
It involves like steaming, and she does.
Yeah.
She puts like first she puts like a treatment on
Uh-huh.
the fabric.
Yeah.
And then she places all her leaves kind of the
Oh,
way
yeah.
she wants it. Then she rolls it up really tightly, and she puts it in like a
Amazing.
steam bath
I've
for like an hour or something.
yeah.
And then you
I
get-
do see that
yeah.
on like
Yeah.
some artists they'll show
Yeah.
how they do it, and I'm like,
Yeah.
wow.
And then she also sews, and what
Okay.
she'll do is she has like a line of dresses here. These are all
Cute.
repurposed vintage tablecloths.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so she'll
Why
find
not?
fabric and she'll repurpose it. So she's kind of like my little vendor.
Mm-hmm.
She does stuff. She has a little table here as well. So again, she does like the beautiful silk scarves.
Oh,
that you see
wow.
here. You can really see the pattern
Yeah.
as well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. She used to do crystal jewelry too.
Nice.
So she still has a couple.
Cool.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Wow. Love
And
the.
then we have a whole space here.
I
So it's like a
know.
I decided to paint it in like an eye-catching color,
Uh-huh.
just to kind of make sure that people know that this is also a.
Can I? Yeah, it's one of those like, okay, when can, I can move in here, you
I
know?
So I tried to.
Very
like,
welcoming.
I want people to actually sit down.
I like
if they
the
wanna-
the
yeah.
screen. Did you do that, or
No,
you found
this
it?
is something I had. Like a lot of the stuff I already had in my collection. Like
Okay.
I had this coffee table.
Because I'm gonna redo my bedroom because right now
Yeah.
it's, everything's still turned upside down, and it has enough space that I can put my bed to one. Like, I want a section by my apartment closet, right?
Yeah.
I want to section that off just for my clothes, like my dresser beside it, and then I'm gonna put a divider.
Yeah.
Of some kind of divider.
I got this.
A
one
separated.
From I got this one from HomeSense. Like
Oh,
a couple
okay.
years ago.
Yeah.
But I'm sure you can.
I was gonna make my own.
Yeah,
That's the thing.
that's more
Yeah,
fun.
I've been getting ideas.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so I wanted to section off with a
Yeah.
divider, just with my dresser
Yeah.
and beside the closet,
Yeah.
and then over the divider will be my bed, like
Yeah.
away from. I don't want to see my dresser. I don't want to.
Yeah,
You know what
yeah.
I mean?
Yeah.
I don't want to see my pile of clothing too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, look at this. Oh my gosh.
Cute little changing
Wow.
room.
Huh.
Yeah.
Very nice.
This is kind of where I have like my vintage.
I love
basket.
pink. I actually got from IKEA pink fake velour,
Yeah,
drapes.
cute. Yeah.
So I think it's about
That kind of color. Yeah.
maybe a little lighter, yeah. And then I reupholstered my chairs. I have not completed yet, but
Yeah.
the seat at least,
Yeah.
I got vinyl animal print.
Oh, cool.
And then the backing, I was gonna use the same drape because I
Yeah.
have an extra one, and like put the pink as the backing, and then you have that
Yeah.
the animal print. I don't know. So yeah.
We got more stuff here. So like all these little compacts.
Yes.
I do the miniature
Oh my
paintings inside.
gosh! Look at
Yeah. It's just an idea that randomly came to me one day, and I think it's really cute because it's it's where they used to have like the old powder,
Yeah.
the setting powder.
Yeah,
And
yes.
a lot of the antique ones like don't really come with that anymore. Like it's all like, they just have like remnants of it. So I just like clear that out, and then I just.
that. Did you have a grand opening?
I did, yes.
Yeah?
So it was,
Oh.
this past
Alright.
Friday. Yeah.
Oh, I love that. Look at all
That
that.
was like a week ago.
What are these? Just you can frame it yourself type of thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
so I have
okay.
like different options here.
And what are they retailing for?
So these ones are all $20 each, or
Uh-huh.
2 for $35.
I see.
I've got smaller ones that are $10 each, or 2 for $15.
Mm-hmm.
I've got all these cute little mini notebooks.
Okay. I'm gonna give you my card so we can keep in touch. My email's there, so you can add me to your mailing list. I have 4 channels.
Okay.
So this might be on the multitask channel.
Okay.
Okay.
So when I was editing this video, I really
It was
felt
supposed
like
to be a DIY project
this
channel,
video
but it's a mix
should
of
be
art
on
and
my main
shopping.
channel, Out and About with yours
And
truly,
so
Lizzo
that's
C.
where I'm putting all my shopping videos and stuff like that.
Featured, especially
Yeah.
since I'm a new store.
I
so,
would
like,
suggest you to create a channel yourself.
Yeah, I could. That is
You
actually
can.
a really good idea.
Yeah.
I didn't even think of that.
You
Like, I have
can.
Instagram and stuff.
But no,
Fairly
I'm gonna stop this now. So this is your book.
So I self-published it a year ago,
Ah.
and it's 3 sections. So the first one is grief, the second one is relationships and heartbreak, and the third one is motherhood. So it kind of like goes through all the phases of my life, I guess you could say.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, and I don't know, I feel like there's definitely a poem in there for everyone. It's the majority of my life.
She is the sun and the moon.
Yeah.
I don't. Am I gonna get copyrighted if I share a little thing? It's just to show you. So, or you can actually want to read one.
I'm sure, why not?
Okay.
Such a cute idea. Let me just
Yeah.
think of one that.
Okay. You find and let me know.
Okay. Okay, I have one I can read if you want me to.
Alrighty. Okay, one moment. Okay. And we're reading from
We're reading from She's the Sun and the Moon,
author.
Susie Armstrong. Okay. There's a house I love down by the old factory, edged in bright sunflowers at the height of summer and clad in tired siding, unruly wildflowers poking through latticed fencing. I like to think my grandma could live there. Wrapped in her magenta bathrobe, she'd sit in the glow of a lamp solving Sudoku, a weak coffee at her side, served in a white cup with pale blue flowers, the same one that now crowds my kitchen cupboard.